Hello everyone, I am Dhiren Kumar, student of LLM final year at Central University of Punjab, Batinda. Today I am going to explain legal awareness. As we know, legal awareness is the essential part of clinic legal education and literacy. Banning single-use plastic. Environment Protection Act 1986, Plastic Waste Management Rule 2016, Central Pollution Control Board, Waste Pollution and Management, Environment Pollution and Degradation Conservation. Plastic item completely banned from 1 July 2002. Earbuds with plastic stick for balloon, plastic flag, polystyrene, thermocol for decoration, plates, cup, glass, cutlery such as forks, spoon, nibs, stave, trays, vaping or packaging films, cigarette packet. Plastic bag to be thicker from September 30. This year, the thickness of plastic carry bag has been increased from 50 to 75 micron. From December 31, 2002, the thickness will increase to 120 micron. Recently, the central government has defined a list of single-use plastic items that will be banned from 1st July 2002. The manufacture, import, stocking, distribution, sale, and use of notified single-use plastic, including polystyrene and explain polystyrene commodity, shall be prohibited with effect from the 1st July 2022. Single-use plastic has among the highest share of plastic manufactured and used from packaging of item to bottle, shampoo, detergent, cosmetic, polythene bag, face mask, coffee cup, sealing film, trash bag, food packaging, etc. Account for a third of all plastic produced globally, according to a 2021 report of Mindero Foundation and Australia. Philanthropic organization single-use plastic account for a third of plastic produced globally with 98% manufactured from the fossil fuel. The majority of plastic discarded single-use plastic also account for the majority of plastic discarded 130 million metric ton globally in 2019, all of which is the burden buried in landfills or discarded directly into the environment, which is burned in landfilling discard directly in the environment. Contribution to the greenhouse gas emission on the currently trajectory of the produce, it has been projected the single-use plastic could account for 50 to 10% of the greenhouse gas emission by 2050. Data for India, the report found that India featured in the top 100 country of single-use plastic waste generation. At rank 94, the top three being Singapore, Australia, Oman, with domestic produce of 11.8 million metric ton annually and important of 2.9 metric million ton. India net generation of single-use plastic waste in 5.6 metric million ton and per capita generation in 4 kilogram. Why these items? The choice for the first set of single-use plastic item for the ban was based on the difficulty of the collection and therefore recycling. When plastic remains the environment for a long period of the time and does not decay, it turns into microplastic, first entering our food source and then the human body. And this extremely harmful. The largest share of single-use plastic is that of packaging, with as much as 95% of single-use belonging in this category, from toothpaste to shaving cream to Ferrozone food. The items choose are of low value and low turn and are unlikely to have a big economic impact, which could be a contribution region. How will the ban be enforced? Monitored by the ban will be monitored by the Central Pollution Control Board from the central and by the State Pollution Control Board that will be report to the central regularly. Direction issue. Direction have been issued a national, state and local level. For example, to all petrochemical industry to not supply raw material to industries engaged in the banned item. Direction have also been issued to the State Pollution Control Board and Pollution Control Committee to modify on revoke consent to operate issue under the Air Act and Water Act to industry engaged in single-use plastic. Local authority have been directed to issue fresh commercial license with the condition the SUP item. will not be sold on their permission and existing commercial license will be cancelled if they are found to be selling this item ban item. Promoting compostable and biodegradable plastic. The Central Pollution Control Board issue one-time certificate to those who manufactured of compostable plastic and the BIS passed standard for biodegradable plastic penalty. Those found violation has been can be penalized under the Environmental Protection Act 1986, which allow for the imprisonment up to 5 years or a penalty up to 1 lakh and or both. Violation can also be asked to pay environmental damage compensation by the State Pollution Control Board. There are municipal law on plastic waste with their own penal code. Other country dealing with single-use plastic signed regulation, signature in regulation in 2022. If 140 country PETs in the United Nations Environmental Assembly, including India, signed a resolution to a draw up agreement which will in the future make it legally binding for a signature to the address to the full life of plastic. Country which ban plastic. Bangladesh plastic became the first country to ban thin plastic bag in 2002. New Zealand became the latest country to ban plastic bag in July 2019. China issued a ban on plastic bag in 2020 with past implementation. USA. 8 states in USA have been banned single-use plastic bagging with California in 2014. Seattle became the first major US city to ban plastic straw in 2018. European Union in July 2000, the directive banned certain single-use plastic for which alternatives are available. Single-use plastic plates, cutlery, straw, balloon, stick and cotton bud cannot be placed on the market of the European Union member state. Thank you.